eBay. It's like buying yourself a present. And they wrap it. Headlights. LED headlights. Let's try to get them in the car.
This whole car is full of it. I'm going to let you do the honours and open up the bonnet. Some people call it a hood. Do you believe that? They call it a hood. Are you ready, mate? Take a deep breath. Really glad to see 200 power.
Bunnings door handle from 1971 is there. Here we go.
202 power.
Other things. Oh, you've got to have two latches, don't you, with racing?
Look at that.
Red motor, but this might not be a red motor because it's not red, and like the Bedford van, that was a blue motor painted red, so who knows. All I know is there's a lot of space in there, man.
It's about 100 horsepower, I think.
Space there is.
There's a lot of space.
Wow. 100 horsepower, you say?
Look at the wiring that someone did with their wiring.
I like how you need like.
Top. And the top has the percentage thing on it. That percentage sticker. Kelly's no good for some reason. Take the old bulb out. The top of this has the dot sign on it. The SAS dot. Whatever it's called, approval, bloody government bullshit, defect. Line that up. Shroud goes on there, you bolt it up, and that's it. So they fit fine. So they're the generic 6x7, 5x7, 5x7 inch, 7x6 inch rectangular LED, and yeah. They were $60 each, or you can spend 400, 300 odd bucks for the so-called Rodeo and Toyota Hilux proper ones. But it doesn't matter; they all fit. So even as long as they're 7x6 and 5x7, they'll fit. And that's it. Alrighty, so that's that all buttoned down and cleaned up. So it's installed in the shroud. Fold it on. And the dot approved. And that's it. That's how to mod out your headlights.